Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give a complete explanation about 4 IT MNCs started their hiring. So watch the video till end. I am going to give a complete explanation how to apply. So before going there, just subscribe and like my channel. And I am just providing daily 5 to 6 IT MNCs per day. So you can visit our channel at any time. So let's go to the page. This is what DCX started their hiring for Associated Software Engineering from Electronic Cities Bangalore. They won't charge any amount for application portal. You are going to apply in Workday job portal. How to create a Workday job portal, provide link in the description, so you can watch out there. And a bachelor degree from the all domains can apply for this role with good knowledge and routine assignment should be there. Very programming knowledge shouldn't be required. They can mention here other skills and interpersonal skill, communication skill, everything they can mention here itself. So you can visit there similar jobs in there downstairs also. And the next one will be logistic started their hiring for freshers from all over India. You are going to apply in First Naurkri. I will provide link in the description how to create firstnaurkri.com. So training.net developer. So you can apply with First Naurkri or register and apply with their company portal itself. Here itself they can mention 4.5. Now Chennai location I mentioned. So this all the key skills they mention in the OOPS, AWS, APIs. This all the added advantage if you are learn any kind of things from any companies. So you can start apply with this any one languages if you are proficiency. BTech MCA students can apply for this role. So this is what they from IBM started their career for software developer with high percentage they are requiring from the students from Cochin. Here is the data type category and entry level, everything they can mention. Bachelor degree all can apply, entry role, full time from IBM Privateer from Kochi city. You can change into Bangalore, Chennai, Noida, all can apply for this role. Here also they can mention the key skills and technical skills and work experience, everything they can mention here. So these all the 3 companies which you have seen. So if you have any doubt, comment me. I will provide in the link in the description all companies. So this all the IT MNCs daily I am provided. Just like me and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.